Hi, in this video, I will show you how you can create a YouTube video watermark using Canva. YouTube video watermark is a logo that can be found at the bottom right corner of the screen on some YouTube videos, including the one that you are watching right now. And usually when you click on it, it will invite you to subscribe to the channel, which is very useful if you want to, if a brand wants to expand the number of subscribers. That's a very useful strategy. Anyway, if you want to create one for your YouTube channel, first you have to create a simple logo for it. Generally speaking, the logo is going to be minimalistic, meaning that it's going to be one color, and white is usually the most recommended color for it. So to create that, first you have to open a brand new Canva document. I'm using this Instagram post template, which is exactly 1080p pixel, and it is perfectly square. The key takeaway here is you have to use a square document. That's the dimension that is recommended for YouTube video watermark. When you're done, usually what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the background to black, because later we are going to use a white logo. So the background is black, but don't worry, we are not going to download the background. Basically, when you finish the design, we only get the logo. We are not getting the background color. Background is going to be transparent. After that, you can insert your logo. You could also draw, you could type your own brand name if you want to, or I'm going to create my own logo right here. So the logo is going to be very simple. I just want to show a picture of a lightning, and I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to turn it to white. And this is why having a dark background is useful. At least now you can see the object and you can modify it very quickly. I'm going to put it in the middle, and when you're done, you can go to the share menu, click download. On the file type, select PNG and enable transparent background. Remember, we don't need this black background, we only need this white logo. When you're done, click download and wait until the file is downloaded to your computer. Okay, now the file is here. I'm going to show you on my computer. This is the logo. This is transparent. You see the dark background is not show. This is just the default background of the photo viewer, but the background is empty. We only see the logo. And after that, you can use this file as a video watermark for your YouTube channel. And that's basically it. That's how you can create a YouTube video watermark using Canva.